Regular maintenance is important for comfortable driving and use. However, just because it's a hybrid, it doesn't mean it needs any special maintenance. Diesel vehicles, petrol vehicles, and hybrid vehicles. What makes a hybrid different? A hybrid has electric motors and an exclusive hybrid battery. The motors are built into the transmission. Maintenance for the transmission is almost the same as for a conventional vehicle. Unlike a conventional vehicle, hybrid vehicles have an exclusive hybrid battery. Inspection, such as of the hybrid battery air filter, and maintenance can be performed by any Toyota dealer, helping to maximize the life of the hybrid battery. As with conventional vehicles, be sure to have the vehicle inspected regularly for comfortable driving.